Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by placing the hinge and latch posts precisely, dig to depth, then pour concrete and set the hinge post plumb. Once the concrete is firm, measure your gate opening and cut the frame to that opening -1/2 inch so the gate swings freely. Make sure the latch post is aligned and solid, otherwise your gate will sag. You'll attach top and bottom rails to the frame next, but first confirm both posts are perfectly vertical and spaced correctly. You assemble the metal frame, square it by measuring diagonals until they match within 1/8 inch, and secure corners with welds or carriage bolts. Once square, insert and tighten the top and bottom rails. This creates a rigid skeleton that resists sagging. Then you attach the chain link, hook the fabric at the hinge side, and use a come-along to tension toward the latch side, keeping it uniform. Make sure to fasten the fabric with ties at specified intervals, so the mesh won't shift over time. You lift the finished gate onto the hinge pins, set the bottom one so there's about 1/2 inch clearance under the gate. Once hung, check that the gate closes squarely into the latch. If it drags, adjust hinge placement or add a small shim behind the hinge plate. Tighten all bolts, trim excess fabric, and lubricate hinge points for smooth, long-lasting movement. If the gate sags later, re-tighten hinge bolts and add a center support, or tighten the frame bolts to correct alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.